Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today we're going to do a build on the Jende jigs for knives. First step in building your jigs is to take the base plate, a couple of flathead screws, and the pillar and crossbar, and the T-handled Allen wrench. We're going to secure the pillar and crossbar to the wide side of the base here, facing forward. I want to make sure that faces out. After we've secured this, we're going to take our Exacudrive system, which is already pre-assembled for you, so there's nothing to do except plug it in. That goes on the opposite end. Screw that in. Alright, after we've secured the Exacudrive, we're going to put on the clamps. There's 2 dumbbell screws, 2 clamps, and you're going to need the Allen wrench. Alright, we're going to take our clamps, we're going to loosen up the screws. You don't have to take off the screw entirely, just enough so we can move it around here. And we're going to throw one on the top, one on the bottom. Take a dumbbell, put it through the back hole here, and secure it. All right. Make sure the screw side is up on both sides. We're going to do the other clamp again. Spin it around. Just make sure the screw is on both sides on the same top. Otherwise, you'll have trouble clamping knives in the future. All right, pop in the dumbbell. Secure that up. You can adjust. This is your adjustment, left and right. So, and then loosen it up and move it, tighten it down. That's where that is. All right, after we've done the clamps, we're going to attach the stone holder rods. So the first thing is to take the end cap. There's an O-ring on there. Secure that over the open end of the long rod. It's a little tight, but it'll go. Pop on the end cap. Might have to hold it in place and then it'll relax into it. There you go. This creates a buffer so you don't hit metal on metal if you go too far. Okay, then secure this threaded side through the universal socket into the stone holder. There you go. Adjust the screw here on the stone holder, generally to about where that line is, where the 2 pieces are screwed together. That's about the distance for a 6-inch 1x6. And you're ready to start sharpening. So the assembled jigs is ready to go. It's very, very sturdy as is. However, as you know, we have the acrylic base. So I'm going to continue now. We're actually going to deconstruct a little bit to put it onto the acrylic base because this is substantial in that sense. So I'm going to back this up a couple steps and we're going to mount it there. So now that we're back, if you have the acrylic base, what we're going to do now is attach that. So I've stopped here after the main pillar is on. And the reason we have to put the pillar on is because our flathead screws are secured to the bottom here. So you kind of need this to be on before you can put it onto the base. Otherwise you have a really difficult time. So that's it. First thing we're going to do is secure our rubber feet. There are threaded holes, threaded inserts on the bottom. Pop them in. And we put these threaded inserts in so you can, if there's any wobble or any imperfections in your table or your workspace, that then you could adjust as necessary to at least get rid of the wobbles. And also gives you a little bit of space more, heightens it up. So put that on. We're going to face forward. Big holes in the front. Just line up the holes. Screws here included. These are M8 screws. You will need a Phillips head for it. Pop them in, line them up. And from this point now, we just reconstruct as you had previously. We're going to pop that on the Exacudrive and the stone holder and the rod. To do that, and you're back in business. So after this video, the next video in the series, please continue to watch or click over here, and we'll get you to the next video of how to adjust the clamps and clamp a knife, and also how to get the stone into the stone holder before you sharpen it.